Alright guys, so these are the 5 Goodman units right here at my doctor's office. Actually no, my foot appointment though. This might be the only one running right now. It's actually really noisy. These two are from 2010. That's actually no, you know what? That's from 2010. This is from 2007. That's from 2006. These two are from 2010. The other one's running right here. These are really good units. And this one just shut off. Alright, well at least I got this one running. So it's got a Copeland scroll. I think that's a brand new scroll compressor. I can tell because it looks shiny. Alright, well now this one's the only one running today. This one just shut off right here. I just heard that one. Yeah, it was running earlier. It just shut off. So this one sounded really noisy. I don't know why. There's the Copeland scroll compressor. That's actually new. Alright guys. This one doesn't look like it's been running. Alright. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. These are all the 2010 Goodman's Central Air conditioners. Oh, the other one just shut off. Alright. At least I got all 2 of them running. So thank you guys for watching.